Saving money might be the exact reason you're still broke. And the more you save, the worse it actually gets. You've been told this your entire life: save your money, be responsible, build a safety net. And on the surface, that sounds smart. But here's the problem: no one ever explains what saving actually does to your wealth. And once you see this, you won't look at money the same way again. Saving is just storing your money, that's it, no growth. No multiplication, no leverage, you're freezing your progress in time. And in today's economy, that's dangerous. Because while your money is sitting still, everything else is moving, prices go up, assets go up, opportunities move, your money doesn't. So even if your bank balance increases, your buying power is actually shrinking. That's the first trap. Now here's where it gets worse. Saving money feels productive. You feel disciplined, in control, but that feeling is misleading because you're optimizing for security, not for growth. And wealth is not built through security, it's built through multiplication. Think about it like this: if you save $10,000, you still have $10,000. If you invest $10,000, yeah, that money can turn into 12, 15, 20. That's the difference. The wealthy don't focus on saving. They focus on acquiring assets. Assets are things that put money in your pocket, increase in value, or both. Saving is static, assets are dynamic, and over time, that difference compounds massively. Now, I'm not saying saving is useless. You do need some savings, basic stability, an emergency fund, short-term expenses, but beyond that, it becomes a liability. Because every dollar sitting idle is a dollar not working. That's the real danger. Saving money trains your brain to play defense. You think, how do I protect? Instead of, how do I grow? That mindset shift is everything. Once you start thinking in terms of growth, you start looking for opportunities. You start building income streams, taking calculated risks. That's how wealth is built. Here's a simple rule: saving protects money, investing grows money. You need both. But if you lean too heavily on saving, you stay stuck. Now think about this. If you're only saving, you're relying on one variable, your income. It's a slow game. But when you start building systems, you create multiple ways to grow. You accelerate. This is exactly why so many people feel stuck. They do what they were told: saving, budgeting, being careful, but they never transition to growth. They stay stuck. If this is hitting a little too close, good, because comfort is expensive. The goal isn't to stop saving completely. It's to stop overvaluing saving. Start seeing it for what it is: a tool for stability, not a strategy for wealth. If you want to build wealth, you need a system, a real structure for growth. That's what I break down in my next few videos, the 3 income system. Watch that next. That's where everything starts to click. Make the move.